plastics are two types, thermoplastic and thermostatic plastics. So let us find the which are thermoplastics and which are thermostatic plastic. We have some objects like so brush and waste brush it is. So we have this plastic scale and comb and this plastic straw we have. So let us find which are thermoplastic and which are thermostatic plastic. So we know the definition of thermoplastic. So deformed easily by the heating, deformed easy and moldable. Okay, it is moldable. Thermoplastic is moldable, and we can form in different shapes. Okay, this material changes into this material is available in the different shapes, deformed easy by the heating, softened by the heating, that is thermoplastic. So let us conduct the activity. So take the comb. So this is, it becomes soft by the heating, it becomes softer. Don't you should take the precaution. Don't breathe this smell because of it is very dangerous smell. So if you observe this, it is softened by the heating. Softened by the heating. So it is softened, therefore it is thermoplastic. Okay now. Softened by the heating. So it is moldable, it molds. Again reheat, so we can mold many times. Therefore it is called thermoplastic. So this is called a thermoplastic. So and one more. So take this and once observe, it's softened by the heating. Therefore, it is also thermoplastic, soften and melting it is. So polythene covers and this straw, it is made by the so plastic. So thermoplastic, it's softened by the heating. It is moldable. Therefore, it is thermoplastic. And you take this and observe. So once it is also belongs to the thermoplastic because of it is moldable and it becomes soft by the heating. It melts in the flame. Therefore, it is called a thermoplastic. It melts in the flame. So therefore, it is thermoplastic. And one more object. It is so we know that toothbrush. So when we heat this, it is softened by the heating. Don't smell it, amma. Don't smell. It is harmful smell. It causes some diseases. Anyway, once observe this, it is softened by the heating. It is softened by the heating. It's softer. Okay now. So also it is moldable. Once observe this, moldable. Again read this side. Again we can change the shape of this object here. So therefore it is thermoplastic. Okay now. So this thermoplastic softened by the heating. So and softened by the heating, hardened by the cooling. Anyway, it is thermoplastic. So moldable it is. So next is the scale. Okay, then it is useful. It is actually thermoplastic. No need to test this. So next thermosetting plastic. We know that thermosetting. What is thermosetting? We test just thermoplastic. So I informed to you, but you not so bring the thermosetting plastic. So the bakelite is the thermosetting plastic. So it is discovered by the Sir Henrik. So Bakeland was discovered. Sir Henrik Bakeland was discovered. He was father of plastic industry. Who? Henrik Bakeland was the father of plastic industry. So he discovered the bakelite and melamine. Bakelite is the, so that switchboard is the bakelite. So we know that that switches are the bakelite. So that switch put into the flame, what happens? It so by the heating, so not soften. So not melts at a high temperature. It not melts at a high temperature. So it is not melts like thermoplastic. It is called thermosetting plastic. That switchboard. So the bakelite, it is discovered by the scientist Sir Henrik Bakeland. He discovered this bakelite. This bakelite was so it is resistance to the heat and electricity.
So if there is two wires attached, produces fire. So there is backlighter. Due to that backlighter, so it do not absorb the heat, do not emit the heat. Okay na? So the resistor of heat energy, which is backlight, is the resistor of heat. That's why we use the backlighter so as a switchboard. Okay na? So and next handles of utensil. You know that handle of utensil. So we cook the we heat up the milk in some bowls. The metal utensils having it's a handle of utensils. It is made by the bakelite. So because of we are don't use rubber. If we use rubber utensils handle, if it is rubber, what happens? It absorbs the heat energy. That's why what we use bakelite. So it is resistor of heat. So that's why you can hold easy. Okay now. So and pressure cooker, the handle also it is made by the bakelite because of it is resistor of heat. Bakelite is resistor of heat and electrical energy. That's why so switchboards and utensils handles made by the bakelite. Melamine keyboards, we know the dinner set, it is made by the melamine, that is thermostatic plastic. Okay, stop.